Hello my dear friends. Today we are going to start with December 2023 question number 2 BRS question which was asked for 8 marks. So in this, from the following particulars prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2022. The first point, debit balance, that is bank overdraft shown as per passbook. So passbook is my base amount. Based on that we have to solve the BRS. So this passbook base amount we will take it to BRS first. So BRS in the books of name of the person is not given. BRS as on 31st December 2022. Bank overdraft as per passbook. That means it is a negative amount. I will write it in the less column. Rupees 2,48,000. So less column rupees 2,48,000. Next one. After that, adjustment number 2. Check of rupees 2,10,000 were issued in the last week of December, but these were only 1,40,000 were presented for payment. So we have issued a check worth rupees 2,10,000. So when I have issued the check, we have passed the journal entry in the cash book. So cash book has reduced by 2,10,000, whereas passbook there are only 1,40,000 worth rupees checks were presented for payment. So passbook has decreased only by 1,40,000. So passbook is my base amount. So I can alter the base to make them equal. So in order to make them equal, I have to again reduce here how much? 70,000 has to be reduced on the passbook side. Then my cash book will be equal to passbook. So less column 70,000. Next one, adjustment number 3. A check of rupees 19,200 drawn for payment of telephone bill and has been entered in the cash book as 29,200 but was shown correctly in the bank statement. So we have issued a check worth rupees how much? 19,200. This is the correct amount. But wrongly in the cash book we have written it as how much? 29,200. So in the cash book side minus 29,200. In passbook it is recorded correctly, that is 19,200 only. So now to make them equal, it is an error done by the businessman. But passbook is our base, not cash book. So in passbook again we have to reduce how much? 10,000 to make them equal. So in my passbook, less column 10,000 BRS. Next one. A check received worth rupees 37,520 entered twice in the cash book. So check received. So it is a receipt. So my bank balance will increase. So one time I should have increased this in the cash book. But in my cash book I have written it twice. Plus 37,520 plus 37,520. But in my passbook the entry is only once plus 37,520. To make them equal, I have to add how much again? 37,520 has to be added in the passbook since passbook is my base. So add column 37,520. Next one, adjustment number 5. A check of rupees 1,17,000 was issued for purchase of merchandise and was paid by the bank but not recorded in the cash book. So check issued. So my balance will decrease. So minus 1,17,000 in the passbook. In cash book we have not made any journal entry. So cash book is 0. So to make them equal I have to add back 1,17,000. So add and less, this will become 0. So add column 1,17,000. Next one. Interest on overdraft and bank charges amounting to rupees 3,500 were not entered in the cash book. Interest on bank overdraft and bank charges. So it is a expense. Expense means my balance will decrease. So minus 3,500 in the passbook. No entry in the cash book. To make them equal, I will add back 3,500 in the passbook. So add column 3500. Next one. A check of rupees 4500 45,000 was credited in the passbook but was not recorded in the cash book. Credited means my balance will increase in the passbook. So passbook there is plus 45,000 which was not recorded in the cash book. To make them equal, passbook I have to deduct 45,000. So minus 45,000. So less column I will write it 45,000. Next one. A bill of exchange of 26,200 which was discounted with the bank returned dishonor but on entry was made in the on entry it is wrong, it is no entry was made in the cash book. So there is a bill we have discounted which was dishonor, so banker will take away 26,200 from my bank account, so my balance will decrease, but there is no entry in the cash book. So to make them equal I have to add back 26,200. So add column 26,200. Next one, last adjustment. Payment side of cash book has been undercast by 12,000. Undercast means you have totaled it less. So when the payment side is totaled less, the balance will increase by 12,000. So it is an error done in cash book. To make them equal to the passbook, in passbook I have to add back 12,000. So add column, I will take it as 12,000. So all the adjustments are over. After this we have to do the balancing. For that we have to check the total of add and less. So first we will total up the less column. 2,48,70, 10, 45 plus 12. So it comes to 3,85,000 on the less side. Add side 37,520, 1,17,000. It is 1,84,220. The less side is heavier, so I will write it as it is 3,85,000, and add side also it has to be 3,85,000. Balancing figure I have to write it here. Less side is heavier, that is why I will call it as bank overdraft as per cash book. The difference is 2,780,000. This is the balance as per cash book. Okay, so this is a simple answer for this 8 marks question. So this is how you have to analyze this adjustment relating to bank reconciliation statement. So one thing we have to remember, whatever is the base in the question given, balance as per cash book or balance as per passbook, that base only can be altered to make the balance as per cash book has to be equal to balance as per passbook. That is nothing but your bank reconciliation statement. Thank you.